Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Suppose we have another student called Gervas Nyonguru, but with marks like 70%, right? In that case, you don't need to rewrite this name again. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this copy and paste while you are developing your Excel document, right? So let us see how you can do it. Yes, first step, of course, we need first of all to select this row. You just need to left click and select this row like this one, and make sure that is highlighted like this one. Then you need to come and click on this copy icon, or just Ctrl C, right, on the keyboard. And once you copy your any cell or just row in your Excel sheet, will look like this one. Do you see? With this symbol, right? Then to me now is copied. What you need to do is just to come, for example, click here where we are going to paste it, and now you click on the paste icon, this icon, right? Or just click Ctrl V as a shortcut. Do you see? Once you click on it, automatically is now pasted here, right? So this is a simple trick for beginners, so that you can just save your time while you are developing your Excel document. Now let us insert our new marks here, which is 70%. Do you see? It's just a simple. So thank you so much. This is how you can use this copy paste tool, or just icon here in Excel, so that you can save your time and make professional document. So thank you. See you in the next lesson.